Introducing AI reminders in Todoist.
Stay organized with powerful smart reminders in Todoist. By integrating artificial intelligence, Todoist can help you schedule tasks more efficiently and avoid missing important deadlines. In this tutorial, learn how to set up and use AI-powered features to make your daily planning more effortless.
Accessing Todoist AI features.
To get started, open Todoist and ensure you have the latest version installed. Some AI functionalities require a premium subscription. Navigate to the Settings menu and look for sections labeled Smart Schedule or AI-powered features. Here you can enable the smart reminders and related settings for automated scheduling.
Creating tasks with smart suggestions.
When adding a new task, try typing natural language dates like tomorrow at 5 p.m. or every Friday. Todoist's AI will interpret your input and suggest optimal times for reminders. You'll see smart suggestions that consider your habits and workload, helping you set reminders that fit your routine.
Using Smart Schedule for automatic planning.
If your task list grows, use Todoist's Smart Schedule feature. With one click, the AI analyzes task urgency, deadlines, and your productivity patterns to suggest when to work on each task. You can accept or tweak these recommendations, making it easy to keep your day manageable and balanced.
Tips for making the most of smart reminders.
For best results, regularly mark tasks as complete and update your priorities. The more you use Todoist, the better its AI becomes at predicting your needs. Turn on mobile or email notifications to never miss a reminder and experiment with recurring tasks to automate complex schedules.
Stay on track with AI in Todoist.
By setting up smart reminders with artificial intelligence in Todoist, you can take the guesswork out of task management. With automated scheduling and intelligent suggestions, staying on top of your commitments becomes simpler and more effective. Start exploring these features to boost your productivity today.